Indian Premier League 2020 was a game of swings. From losing their first game against Chennai Super Kings to their winning shot in the finals against Delhi Capitals, Mumbai Indians swung from match to match to clinch their fifth IPL title and becoming the only IPL franchisee to do so. It's a saying in cricket, the team wins when the captain leads. Mumbai Indians keeper Rohit Sharma, the man with no orange cap but the only captain with 5 IPL trophies. In IPL 2020 in Dubai, Mumbai Indians also created a plethora of records. Let's have a look at them. IPL finals have now become second home for Rohit Sharma and the Hitman show is in maximum in the finals. This IPL season, he bagged the position of the first captain to score 50s in 2 different IPL finals. Once in 2015 against Chennai Super Kings and another one in 2020 against Delhi Capitals. This IPL mid-season transfer did make a lot of noise, and on the cards, Trent Bolt's position in Mumbai Indians was questioned. But who knew that Mumbai Indians had saved its trump card for the end? Magnificent Trent Bolt equaled the record set by Mitchell Johnson for the greatest number of wickets in the power play during a season. Bolt took 16 wickets during the fielding restrictions, equaling what Johnson did for Mumbai Indians in 2013. And that's not it. The QS Speedstar also became the first player in the tournament's history to take off the wicket on the first ball in the finals against Delhi Capitals. While talking about the first bowlers, how can we forget our very own Indian Yorker master Jasprit Bumrah, who took 27 wickets in this IPL season, which is the most by an Indian in any season. His bowling spell versus Delhi Capitals in the first qualifier recorded his best ever T20 figures. He conceded 14 runs and took 4 wickets. He blew the DC dugout with his exceptional bowling that led Mumbai Indians lifting the Dream 11 IPL 2020 trophy. From the very beginning of the final match, Mumbai Indians had taken the control, from first-hand bowling show to Hitman's power play. In the record-breaking match, Mumbai Indians equaled their record for the highest score in the power play of an IPL final. They had scored 61 for 1 against Chennai Super Kings in 2015 and repeated the same feat against Delhi Capitals this time around as well. Mumbai Indians also became the second team in IPL to defend their title after CSK. CSK won their first title in 2010 and defended their title in 2011. Now we have Mr. Aritra Mukherjee with us, our sports analyst at the Hindustan Times.
What do I think about the Mumbai Indians' dominance in IPL 2020? Well, it's not only about IPL 2020, I guess. Mumbai Indians have been one of the most consistent, if not the most consistent one of IPL. Currently the best IPL side and probably also the best T20 side of the world. And it actually showed on this season in every department because speaking purely on cricketing aspects, if you closely observe Mumbai's matches and their statistical highlights, you would obviously find one stark, real, one very glaring aspect of their team and their approach. That is their strong middle order. Actually proved this season that if you have a really strong middle order, you can actually alter any score and turn it into a very competitive one or maybe a very good score. In the last 5 overs of the game, that is 16 to 20th, the Mumbai Indians middle order's strike rate was over 200, which is by far the best of all 8 teams this season. And the composition of their side and their middle order in particular is based on the 2 Pandya brothers, and Kieron Pollard, and obviously at times Ishan Kishan when he started to bat in the middle order in Rohit and de Kock's presence. So the Mumbai Indians middle order actually, when Pollard mentioned that they are the engine room of the side, he was spot on. So it is the composition of the side and obviously the bowlers. Jasprit Bumrah, Trent Bolt. Trent Bolt was a great pick this season, an inspired pick, especially when Malinga wasn't there. Bumrah was obviously doing the job of Malinga, but they needed someone with the new ball. And I don't think there is any anyone currently in the world cricket right now who can beat Trent Bolt with the new ball, be it on any form, white ball, red ball, anything, anywhere. I think Trent Bolt is a lethal weapon. So yeah, no surprises that Mumbai Indians were the only side to reach 18 points and secure qualification and finish as the number one side way before everyone else was, still fighting for the last 3 or 4 slots.
Thank you very much, Mr. Oritro, for joining us. And with less than 4 months to go, we can't keep wait to see what IPL 2021 will offer us on our plate. With this, it's time for me to sign off. I am Sanjukta, with me Rupesh, Suramya and Netra. Keep watching SIMC Voice.